Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a proud owner of the JBL Live 400BT or 460NC headphones, then you know how important it is to keep your headphones in top shape. That's why I'm here today to talk about the replacement cushion ear cups made with protein leather and memory foam ear pads. These ear pads are the perfect solution for upgrading and replacing your worn-out ear cushions, giving you the comfort and sound quality you deserve. The ear pads are made of high-quality soft leather, providing a luxurious feel against your ears, while the memory foam ensures a perfect fit and maximum comfort. The package includes one pair of ear pads, so you can immediately upgrade your headphones without any hassle. Not only do these replacement ear pads provide superior comfort, they also enhance the sound quality of your headphones. With these ear pads, you'll experience improved bass response, clearer highs, and overall better sound isolation. So why wait any longer? Treat yourself and your headphones to the comfort and sound quality they deserve. Upgrade to the replacement cushion ear cups made with protein leather and memory foam ear pads today, and take your listening experience to the next level. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get your hands on these amazing ear pads. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.